And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Genesis 1:3. The first act of creation was not an action, it was a sound. God spoke. Light answered. The voice of the Almighty echoed across the void, and the universe responded with illumination. It was not just light, it was the revelation of order, beauty, and truth. Light in the universe moves at a constant speed, but its origin was not speed, it was spirit. God's word did not create by effort, but by expression. Before atoms were arranged, wavelengths were born from a divine command. The voice of God still reverberates through all that exists. Light behaves both as a wave and a particle, but it is also message. All throughout space, light encodes information, the sustaining brightness of every galaxy. God's command did not fade. It still fuels everything.